Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's daily gardening tip of the day. These are new and they're going to be posted every day, so make sure you subscribe to the channel or come back to the website every day to have a look for the new daily tip. If you're on YouTube, the website is www.theyorkshiregardener.com. Today's daily tip is about watering fruit trees. As it's starting to get warmer now, now that we're in May, fruit trees will need to be drinking absolutely lots of water. If it's not raining, you need to make sure that you're at least watering them every day, because the blossom on them, obviously it's going to start producing fruit now, so you're needing to get them to start swelling, because if they're not getting enough water, your fruit won't swell and they won't grow. And that's the last thing that you'd want, is to not get big fruit on your trees. I've got various fruit trees, plum trees, cooking apple trees, normal apple trees. I've even got a pear tree. And every day when I come down to the plot to water my plants, I always make sure I chuck a couple of buckets of water on the fruit trees, and it seems to have good success. So make sure you water them every day, just so that they get the water that they need. And yep, that is today's daily tip. Make sure you keep your fruit trees watered. Thank you for watching today's daily tip. Make sure you come back tomorrow to see what tomorrow's tip of the day is.